because we find that one of the roles that the proposal team has served very well has been in bringing different parts of the company together. It is very common right now that you've got companies that have sort of formed by mergers and acquisitions. A lot of companies going through a lot of rapid growth where people don't really know each other. And especially the proposal managers who've been with a company for a long time, you are so good at answering questions like, where do I go to for this? Who is our expert on that? Who can I ask if I need to find out what we did for this client? And so answering some of those cross-functional questions and helping to bring these teams together, I think really should always be something that we look at as core to our job, even if it's not written in any job description.
Yeah, absolutely. Just an example of like a real life example is when we were evaluating like what value does our team provide, what work can be cross-functional. We were implementing a content management system, RFPIO, and we realized that there were other departments within our organization that could also use that system, which would cut down on like time for them, time and resources for them, as well as time and resources for us. And so we really prioritized implementing that and getting the content uploaded into that system so that it did provide a lot of value to our team, but that value was increased because of the value it provided for other teams as well. Yeah, and it built trust and connectivity between departments even.
Mm-hmm.